almost ready. I put her up on the counter because we were putting her shoes on. Her little rainbow boots. Look how adorable you are. Look how adorable you are, Ann. She doesn't really want her breakfast. See, I'm not interested. I know we're up here with her shoes on, but you know, we'll clean it. And this is how I'm looking. Glamorous. We be out here looking real glamorous in the mornings. Come on. Oh, somebody farted. You farted, Ian. Oh, say excuse me. Say excuse me. She's sleepy. We had some struggles last night with the sleeping. I'm super close to just not even having her go to therapy today, but I just don't want her to, I just want her to finish the week strong, and today is Friday, so I just want her to just finish off the week. But she's very tired because she was struggling with sleep last night. Speaking of her sleep struggles, I had a meeting yesterday with her BCBA about those issues. We had like a strategy meeting about how we can approach it. And she helped me out a lot with like some instructional suggestions and tactics and things. And so we actually came up with a game plan. I just need to read through it a little bit more, make sure I understand it, and then we're gonna put it into place for tomorrow nights. I didn't want to try it for last night, so we're gonna try it for tomorrow night. And you guys see her hair. This was the best I could do today. Look, Ann. Oh, silly girl, because she won't let me do her hair. Yup. She won't let me do her hair, so I'm gonna try to wash it. Come on, let me put you down, girl. My arm is giving out. I'm gonna try to wash her hair tonight and do some little plait braids or some twists or something. But y'all, it's really looking like the locks is gonna be the play. Like, I already talked to my family about it, and everyone is like, all the females are like, yeah, we would love to see that happen. Yeah, let's do it. But you know, the males don't really be with it. But it's like, you don't have to deal with it though. Like, men are just, they crack me up. Like, no, I want to see something. I want to see it this way. Are you helping me do it? You want to see my hair a certain way, but are you gonna do it? Or you just want to see me work harder? You know, I just, no. They'll realize the beauty in it. They'll get with the program. But you know, I'm not gonna have this girl whining every morning, getting her hair done, and me stressing out, trying to figure out ways to do it without having her whine. Like, I'm not gonna subject myself to that over a period of time. So we are going to have to figure something out. Long-term protective styling or something, well, we're gonna have to figure something out, but I'm not gonna be dealing with this. Come on, grumpy girl. Back home. Oh yeah, and I showed y'all this on Instagram. I got some LED lighted vanity mirrors for my master bathroom upstairs. I got 2 of them. I think they're like 26 by 30 inches or something, but they're that really nice kind of spa bathroom, lit mirror kind of situation. So I'm just waiting on my dad to install those for us. He said they're really easy, but if we want it to be connected in a certain way, it's gonna require a little bit more work than just mounting them. So we're waiting for him to do this for us. But yeah, the company Hoshin, I think that's the name of it, Hoshin Home, they reached out to me and asked me if I would create some content around these gifted mirrors that they sent to me. So I was like, all right, I'll share. So you guys can look forward to seeing a video about these lit mirrors. I'm supposed to be working out, but I was trying to organize some content and stuff, and it's looking like I'm gonna have to sweep this floor because I see crumbs from Ann's breakfast. Probably won't get a chance to work out. That's the most frustrating part about having a fitness routine in place is not being able to stick with it, especially when you really want to. It's like other things get in the way, and like taking an hour out is just a lot to ask of my schedule sometimes when it's super airtight like it normally is. I guess I could do like a 30-minute workout or something like that, but you still have to account for like shower time. You know, if I work out from home, I gotta set all my workout stuff up. If I go to the gym, I gotta get my workout bag and get over there, park, get out the car. You know, it's just like a lot. I'm gonna try to do a little something. Okay, she ready. When I don't be having a lot of time, I'll just run right quick on the treadmill, and then I'll feel like, okay, I did something, and I can work out in 15 minutes, and that's still like a really good amount of calories burned and a really good amount of effort. So I'm gonna run 1.5 miles. I need my trap music. Where's my headphones? A mess. Looking a little rough, but it's okay. So when I was on the treadmill, y'all, my knee started hurting again. So now I'm thinking, so it started hurting in the place where it was before, but then it had gotten better. So because it started hurting again once I got on the treadmill, it lets me know that I probably have a little tendonitis going on with myself. So I'm gonna have to stop running and squatting for probably a few days to a week and a half or something ish, because this happened before, you know, years ago. And then I went to the doctor and everything, got an x-ray and all that stuff, and they were just basically saying like, oh, you got tendonitis, you just got to stop running for a while, just to give your muscles and tendons or whatever a break. So that's what I'm gonna end up having to do again this time, which kind of sucks because I was kind of in my zone, like really feeling myself, you know, and my run times were getting really good and everything. But sometimes you just have to listen to your body and do what's right for yourself, and then you can always come back to it. So I told my husband, since I can't run or do squats or any kind of really lower body exercises, I'm just going to focus on my arms and my abs. You see yourself? You see yourself? You silly girl. You are so silly. So we just got picked up from therapy. I gotta be honest, I hate this parking lot. I hate it because people don't know how to park. You know, all these women up here with these kids, they got these big old trucks, you know, people got big trucks. All these women are like soccer moms, but they don't know how to park these things, hon. They have this row of reserved parking for parents, and it's only like 5 spots. And you should just see these people like pulling in wrong. Like, there's only 5 open spots. If you're not like in your spot all the way, it kind of ruins the opportunity to park in the spot next to you. So it's like wasted parking spots, and I just hate it. And these people just cannot park these big old trucks, these big old luxury trucks, and can't even park them. I'm waiting on my sister to call me so I can show y'all her home renovations. She's gonna FaceTime me because she's there right now. I told her to call me so I could see. Y'all, I'm so thirsty. There she is. Hey, Kay.
What's up?
I'm so excited. I need to see these renovations. Let's go.
I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat because baby Giles is like. Let me turn the camera around.
Okay.
I'm in the basement right now. Only thing that we did down here was just paint like a Dallas Cowboy blue, which is looking a hot mess.
Yeah.
And we're getting a new furnace and really just the whole HVAC system installed too. Because the one that was here was like really old, and Richard is like, he ain't got time for this. So he's hooking us up over there. Can you wave, please? Say hi. Hey. Hello.
Hi. Hold on, I'm gonna record you. Hold on, I'm gonna record this so it can be clearer. Hold up. Okay, so now I'm screen recording, so I'm gonna insert a clearer version of this. But yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so going up the stairs. I mean, this carpet's still here, but I gotta figure out what I want to do with these.
Right, you got time.
I got time.
Y'all, look at this beautiful kitchen, the way it opens up. That's like the view from their kitchen, and then this is the actual kitchen, and then the family room.
Yeah, so the cabinets are starting to go up a little bit. You probably can't really see the one that's in the corner because the wall is white too, but they came early. So this is my whole kitchen in boxes. But you know, so the kitchen looks out into the family room, and here's KK's playroom over here, which is gonna be my office later when she grows up, her brother. But it's a little playroom. They just need to they gotta put the trim in here, but this is just painted with the floors going in here too. Okay, so that's off the family room. So that way all her toys and her junk can be in there and not make my house look like a playhouse. Okay,
yeah.
So, also, this is our mud room, which leads into the garage. So all of this, we're getting a new washer and dryer, and eventually this little sink is going to be updated. And then I want to put like a little, mud closet or whatever they call it out there. But honey child, this garage, Lord, it's a mess. Oh, down here. I think I'll clean it out.
Yeah.
Alright, so moving on. And like, yeah, I'm ready to come. Alright, Annie Boo Boo. Okay, so there was a shower on this floor and it took away from the closet. So I said, oh no, we need the closet back and we need that shower out of the bathroom. Plus, all of people washing their butts next to my kitchen. That's kind of nasty. This is our lovely contractor, Dennis.
Hi.
Hooking it up. Here's one of his many workers too. And they're just getting ready to kind of clean the floors a little bit before they finish off everything. I'm going up the stairs, which don't have a banister right now because that's getting redone too.
They're doing the wrought iron baluster look. So they had to restain the solid hardwood floors so that it could all blend together. Because when they first moved in there, all the floors were different in every room, and so we can't have that. So they pulled all that out of there.
Yeah. This is gonna be you and Anthony's room when y'all come.
Okay, I'm feeling it.
Yeah, you know, nice view of the neighborhood.
Yes, ma'am.
I really shouldn't walk around because they are clean up the floors up here. So, but that's the bedroom.
I'll give them more of a detailed tour when I come to visit there.
And the bathroom, I mean, this is gonna be eventually updated too, but
yeah.
They just painted it here, which makes it look 20 billion times nicer. It was like a purple in here. I'm like, oh no.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
That's it, y'all.
So beautiful. So beautiful. Well, thanks for sharing that. I'm gonna cut it off right here and then me and you can keep talking.
Okay.
All right. So, did you guys enjoy Kay's little tour? I know I was probably talking too much, but I was trying to keep her on track with what I thought would be interesting for her to share with you all and not show you guys too much of her personal space under construction. But anyway, I'll show you guys like an in-person, like real deal, better quality furnished house tour when I go out there for the holiday, because I am going out there to visit them for New Year's Eve and stuff. And I'm gonna be out there for a whole week, so it's gonna be really nice. But anyway, on today's episode of I Ain't Ate Yet and It's Afternoon, I just pulled up to Jamba Juice and I'm just gonna grab me a juice right quick, take Anna here with me. I might get a smoothie. Let's see how I feel when I get in here and see the menu. But this is better than french fries. Whenever we come in here, Ann has to get her a banana, honey. It's her favorite thing to get. And then she came over here and put it on the table. Wait, Ann, you already have one. You already got one. Can't have two, we only paid for one, come on. Ann, you already have one. It's over here, did you forget? Look, you put it on the table. Or is that not the one you want? You have to get what you picked. Come on, Ann, we have to come over here, okay? Come on, you can sit down, okay? You gonna climb up? Okay. Oh, look at the big girl. Now, here's your banana. Climbed it by yourself. You want me to open it for you? Okay. Say, help me. Help me. You have to pull it down. Wait, we have to get all the skin pulled down. So you can pull it. You can pull it. And now you can just bite it. She always has to touch it with her hand. Have to know how it feels. Oh, great. Sit there. Thank you so much. Just got the carrot juice with the orange. Let's see what it's hidden for. Does that say Vaughn more? Because if it does, that's kind of hot. Anyway, we're headed in here. Pretty Christmas tree. Mall Christmas trees, they're always the best. And I do want to coordinate my wrapping paper in that way as well. Come on. Come on. Her walking song. Yeah, so I realized at the last minute that I wanted to buy her a coat right quick because this one is a little too little right now. So we're just gonna see what they have for coats. actually don't mind this pink one. And come on. She keeps trying to run away and do other things. It has to have a hood with it. And come back. And come back, okay? Stop running away. We have to find you a coat. Would you like this pink one? I don't really love it, but it's not like it's not appropriate for her age. Let's try it on. Wait, Ann. This is a 4T. And it's so much more difficult than it really needs to be. Come on, Ann. Come on. You need to stay over here, okay? Come on. Give me your hand. Ann, we're over here. Ann, we're gonna go over here. Come on. Come on, we're gonna try on coats, okay? Go through there. Push, push, push. And push, push, push. We got those too close together. Oh, that's so cute. Come on, let's try it on. How cute do you look, Ann? You might get this one. This is so cute. Oh, Ann, come back this way, hon. Come back this way. You like it? I think it's cute. You can grow into it as well. I think it's a little baggy, but you can grow into it. Okay, now let's get some boots. Oh, they got some cute Uggs that might match with her coat. Let me see about these. Come back, Ann. So cute. Where did she go? Come on. Come on. See, she always runs away, you guys. This is how we have to shop. Sit down. Yeah, so we're back home. I'm gonna show Anthony what I got for Ann from Vaughn Moore. I mean, is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. Vaughn who? Vaughn Moore? Okay, I don't know about Vaughn Moore, y'all. I don't know about it. It's new to us for this area. It used to be a Carson's, and then they shut down Carson's and opened this thing, so I don't really know. It seems like, to me, it's kind of like a Nordstrom. They got a lot of like designer brands and whatnot. So yeah, so anyway, Anthony, this is what I got her. So you know she needed a new coat. So I got her a pink North Face. I think this is a parka style. Isn't that cute? She got some boots to match. These are the T. Bailey Bow Shimmer. I got her a size 8 because that's what she's into right now. These are water resistant, all that. So check those out. Those are cute, hon. Those cute. He loves when I get her pink stuff. They're so cute. Yeah. Track like he ain't excited. He know he loves when I get Ann pink stuff. But anyway, that was kind of an impromptu shopping trip because I just realized on my way home from Jamba Juice that she really does need a new coat. Because I think I was kind of sitting there thinking like, I need to wash this coat, the one that she's wearing today. It's like, yeah, I need to throw that coat in the wash because it's a little dirty. Then I was like, wait a minute. It's actually kind of too small for her. Let me pull into the mall and buy her a new coat right quick. So glad we got that out the way. So she's good to go with her winter apparel and stuff, at least for now. I just got to get her a hat and some gloves and a scarf to kind of match, or at least something that won't clash, because I think her current hat and scarf situations may clash because her stuff is kind of like cream off-white and this thing is like snowy white, you know, so like cotton ball white. So I'm gonna get her some stuff to match a little bit better. But anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Boop, boop, boop.